What's up, y'all? It's your girl Fab. So y'all, this is the hoodie. This is how it looks. This is the front part. This is the back. I got my name put on the back with Fab 1 because I'm one of one, of course. So I got Fab 1 on the back. I wanted to get a lime green to match what's going on in the hoodie. I like the color coordinate, y'all. Also, I love how they made the drawstrings lime green also to match the hoodie. So it's super cute. I love the material. It's like a cotton material, very thick. It's very thick, y'all. So it's very good to put on while it's cold outside. But it looks very good. It has pockets in the front. So if you was worried about it not having pockets, it has pockets. But this is so cute. I can't wait to put it on for y'all. So let's get into it. Also, this is how it looks. It's real cozy, real cute. It have the front pocket, so if you want to put your hand in your pocket, you can put your hands in your pocket. Like I said, you can tighten up your hood with the strings. I already tightened my hood up. I like my hood tight. I don't know why. And sometimes I'll just tie this up in the front. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to give this product a 10 out of 10. The material is very thick, so it's very good to wear in the wintertime for sure. Like, I don't feel no air. It feels very warm. I like the strings. If you know, it goes with the colors on the hoodie. The pockets are just right. It's not baggy or anything like that. So I like this. And again, I like my name on the back of it. So definitely gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Make sure y'all shop their website. I'm gonna put it below. The website is www.fansidea.com. If you want to get you a baseball jersey customized, if you want to get some joggers customized, a hoodie, t-shirts, muscle shirts, caps, whatever, they have it all. All you have to do is put your order in, use my code FABDEIDRA, all capital letters, for 10% off today. Thank y'all so much for taking the time to watch. Please make sure y'all click the link, visit the website, and shop their products.